We're going to do the front brakes on a 2016 Ford Focus SE with the 2.0 liter. It's got drums in the rear, so we're only going to do the front rotors today. But I ordered an entire complete kit from Detroit Axle. It came from Amazon, and it came with all new rotors, some semi-metallic pads, nicely packaged with hardware and everything that I needed, including brake fluid and brake cleaner. So we're going to test it out. It's the first time I've used this brake hardware kit, and hopefully we'll see how it goes, okay? But so far, it looks good. Alright, so we're going to start the disassembly. First, we're going to take the clips out, move it off the ears. And there we go. That's the clip. And then we're going to squeeze the pads just a little bit and see if we can move the pads off of it. Okay, oh yeah, that's binding. That's no good. Okay, let's see if we can squeeze the pads just a little bit. Okay. All right. And then, all right. Now we can take come up back here. There's a little rubber caps that have to come off. Okay, like so. And then there's an Allen head in here that you have to undo for these brake slips, okay? So let's get the caps off and get an Allen head in there. Okay? Stop. Okay. What size is this? I think it's a 7mm. But we're gonna get it undone here, okay? We'll get the Allen in there. Oh, I might need an extension for the upper one, but okay, here we go. There we go. That's loose. Coming out. And then we'll do the one on top with an extension on it. Okay, there we go. That loose. A little extension. And then it should just come right off like so, okay? And then the inner pad is actually clipped in to the caliper like that, okay? So we're going to put the new one in the same way. We're going to take this off and we're going to clean that off. But before then, we got to hang up the caliper so it doesn't do any damage with the caliper hanger. One of these things, and then we'll hang it up over here so it's not in our way. Okay. Okay, safe and sound, okay? The brake cleaner. Okay. There we go. Nice and clean. Okay. And then we're gonna put it on. We'll use a nut to hold it in place. It
smells horrible.
Yeah. Okay, now we're going to compress the piston on the caliper. I'm just going to use a big old C channel. And we're going to start with just a little bit, and then we'll work our way up. There we go, one, and then a little bit more. Okay, I think that's it. I think that's seated all the way down. Alright, and then we're going to put the inside pad on with the clips on it until it clicks in. And before we do that, we're going to put a little bit of grease where the metal touches, just so that we don't have any squeaking possibility. Because the last thing I want is squeaking. Okay, there we go. A little bit of grease. Put it in. Clip. There we go. Down. And then we're going to mount the cleaned ear. We're going to grease that up. We'll put some synthetic grease on that, on all the metal. Any metal that touches. Okay. Okay. And then we're going to put it back in and tighten that down. Tighten the bolts down. There we go. Okay. And I'm going to put a drop of Loctite on that. Excuse me. So a drop of Loctite. Blue right on there. There we go, just a drop. And the one on the bottom as well. Okay, it's torqued. Alright, let's get everything else out of it. It just goes right there, on the ears. And then I'm going to put a little bit of the purple stuff right here where I think the edge of the ears are going to touch. Okay, so that will hopefully reduce some of the noises, squeaking. And then we're going to undo that and then bring it right down. Make sure it's not twisted. And we should just slide right on like so. Okay. Okay, perfect. Alright. And then we'll tighten the bolts down. Well, we're good to go. Okay. Okay, I didn't show you, but I did pull the pins. The pins have been greased. They're not real like capture pins, but they do slide here, and I want to make sure that the caliper move freely. And it looks like it's good. Everything's been greased. Everything's mounted. Okay, and then we're going to get this one on. And then we should be able to just pull it over and in. There we go. Okay, sorry guys, I forgot to put that on. That's my bad. But that rattle clip's not been out. And now we can put the tire back on. Okay. And then we will pump the brakes. And then we will take it for a test drive and make sure we seat the new pads into the new rotors to make sure that everything is happy, okay? Alright, that's it. Good luck on your project.